Did you know you can create a free WordPress website? Yes, absolutely. You can launch a clean modern site in just a few minutes. No coding, no complicated setup, and no hidden costs. All thanks to WordPress.com. The only catch? There will be a small ad on your website. It usually appears in the header part of your website. There are also some limits on storage and customization compared to paid plans, but even the free version gives you more features than most competitor platforms. And if you ever want more control or flexibility, you can upgrade to a premium plan anytime. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to create your own free WordPress website. Ready to turn your idea into reality? Let's get started. Step 1. Get free WordPress hosting and domain. First, go to WordPress.com and click Plans and Pricing. There, you can find all the different plans available. The cheapest premium plan is Personal, which costs $4 per month billed yearly. Upgrade to a premium plan for an ad-free experience and enjoy a clean, distraction-free website. For a minimal price, you get 6 GB of storage, providing enough space for your website to run smoothly. Additionally, enjoy a free custom domain like yourgroovydomain.com for the first year. Now, your website will have a professional look to build trust with your visitors. The direct link to WordPress.com is available in the description below. As we aim to build a free WordPress website, let's click the link to start with a free plan here. Next, you must create your WordPress.com account. Just enter your email address and hit the continue button. Otherwise, use your Google, Apple or GitHub account to quickly set up an account. Once you verify your account, you have to pick a domain. Here, we'll show you the process of creating a personal travel blog website. So, let's search for the domain Sam Hill Travel Blog. You can now choose from a variety of options to obtain the domain you want. However, you need to pay every year to get domains with popular extensions. But if you really want to build a WordPress website for free, then you can simply use the free subdomain provided by WordPress.com. In our case, it's samhilltravelblog.wordpress.com. If you want a custom domain, you can still buy it whenever you want. For now, let's skip the purchase and pick the free option. Moving forward, you'll get a set of questions. Based on your answers, you'll get to tailor your website as per your needs. If you haven't decided on them yet, then simply click Skip to Dashboard. Now, let's directly move to the WordPress dashboard for this tutorial. Step 2. Add your website name and configure settings. On your WordPress dashboard, you can find the navigation on the left side. Based on the menu you select, you'll find the respective options to tailor your website on the right side. Currently, we are on the My Home menu with a list of upcoming steps to create a free WordPress website. So, let's click Give your site a name. This redirects you to the general settings. There, you can add the name of your site. As per our example, let's simply add Sam Hill's Travel Blog as a site title and Wandering the World One Story at a Time as the tagline. This step is crucial as these appear in search results and browser tabs. Further, WordPress also lets you set a site icon for your browser tabs. Plus, you can configure the time zone, site language, and much more. Once you complete configuring these options, hit Save Changes. Other than this, you can find several more settings under different menus. This involves options for your writing, reading, discussion, media, and more. Step 3. Pick your free WordPress theme. Next, you can choose a free theme that fits your website style. If you go to Appearance and then Themes, then you can find several WordPress themes under different website niche categories to get a template for your website design. Currently, your website is using a theme automatically set by WordPress.com. However, you can pick any free option as you wish. So, let's scroll and use a default block theme that is 2025. Just open this free theme built by the WordPress team and simply click the Activate button. It's a lightweight and fast theme, ideal for travel blogs to load quickly even with photos. Such a free blog-based design theme makes it easy to create beautiful modern layouts without coding. Step 4. Craft your pages and blog posts. Following that, you can start writing your website content. Let's begin with creating your website pages. Pages are static website content such as the home page, contact, about us, etc. Just go to pages and then add page. This opens the Gutenberg block editor. Here you can write your content on the left and customize the content on the right. For instance, let's keep the title as about to create the about page. Here you can start typing your content. If you want to add other forms of content like images, headings, grids and more, you can type a slash and search for the block you need. Or you can click the plus icon and find your required block. You can also click the block inserter and find several blocks to add elements for text, media, design, widget and more. The WordPress editor is fully block-based, so any content you add will be in the form of a block. Even a paragraph block for text or an image block for photos. Here we are using the paragraph block to add text about the travel blog. Also, we'll add the image block to insert an image into the page. If you open the settings panel, then you can find page and block options. The page settings let you adjust the slog, author, etc. The block settings for supposed paragraph blocks lets you set your font color, typography and more. Once your page is complete, hit the publish button and preview your page. This is just a demo, so you can take your time and make this truly amazing with simple tweaks, thanks to WordPress.com. Similarly, you can add other essential pages to your website. For this website, we are also creating a contact page. Just create a new page with contact as the page title and use different blocks to add the contact details. Now, insert a form block to add a contact form to the page. Configure and stylize it to suit your preference. Publish and preview it to check how your contact page now looks. So many cool features for free, isn't it? Now, let's move on to posts. Posts are dynamic website content like articles, reviews and news that you can update often. You can either click the Write Your First Post option shown in My Home or simply navigate to Posts and then add Post. Just as we did for pages, you can start writing a post in the editor. Give a post title and then use blocks like paragraphs and images to keep different content. Let's even add heading blocks to separate the different sections of the post like this. Once that's done, you can even insert a table of content block for easy navigation of the blog post content. Further, you can customize the blocks on the block settings at the right. In the post settings, you can choose to immediately publish your article or schedule it on a date. Further, you can set your slog to ensure it's precise yet explains your post. Also, add a suitable featured image. Next, add the blog category to make it easy for readers to find related content and explore your website. When everything is set up, press the publish button and preview it. It already looks good with minimal effort, right? Your first blog post is ready and you can craft more posts related to your niche. We have already created a few blog posts, so let's move to the next step, shall we? Step 5. Build your homepage and blog page. Currently, your website has a homepage showing the latest posts by default like this. You can keep it as it is if the main focus of your website is blogs. However, you can always create a custom homepage with WordPress that includes all the required sections you want. For this blog website, let's create a custom homepage. Just create a new page and name it as Home. Open Page Settings and change the template to Page No Title. This WordPress setting ensures the page title Home is not visible to others. Did you notice that the blog inserter has a Patterns tab? Patterns are pre-designed website sections to quickly tailor as per your needs. Instead of manually adding blocks, let's use patterns to create the home page. Just click on the suitable patterns from the given options. Here, we are adding a featured pattern for the hero section, a blog post pattern to showcase some latest blogs, and lastly, a newsletter pattern for the subscription section. Now, all you have to do is edit and customize the content. Click the publish button and preview your index page. But how to let WordPress know that you have built your own static homepage? Take a chill pill. WordPress makes it easy. Just go to settings and then reading. There, set the Your Homepage Displays option as a static page. Then pick your custom home page as the real home page. Lastly, save the changes and you're done. With a new home page, you need a blog page to showcase all your posts too, don't you? So why not create one on your own? Just create a new page and name it blog. Now repeat the same process. Use a blog post pattern and customize it as you want. Publish the blog page and see it how it looks. Step 6. Create header and footer navigation. To edit and customize your website navigation, you have to edit the site design. So click the Edit Site Design step as suggested or simply navigate to Appearance and then Editor. This opens the site editor where you can fully customize your website in one place. Now simply open the home page in the site editor. There, click the Pages template and press Edit Template. Once you find the header navigation section, insert the site logo block and upload the logo. Once that's done, you can edit the menu options to show the page links however you want. Here, let's just sort the existing ones. Similarly, you can adjust your footer navigation too. Just remove the unnecessary links added by your theme and add links to the pages, posts or categories that your website has as you want. In the end, save the changes. Step 7. Launch your free WordPress site. Next, it's time to launch your site, so click the option as recommended. Congratulations, your website is now live. Here, you have your custom homepage with your site logo and navigation. From there, you can go through your pages and posts. All of these features in your free WordPress website. Step 8. Explore more free features. Once your page is live, you can find many more steps that you can carefully go through one by one. In addition, some free features are offered by the Jetpack plugin that you can find in your WordPress.com dashboard. Let's go through the ones your blog website needs. This involves stats that let you track your website traffic like number of views, visitors, likes and comments. Jetpack Social lets you connect your website with your social media accounts and automatically share new posts on them. Atismith Anti-Spam shows statistics on the spam comments and lets you configure the settings to block unwanted comments to keep the blog clean. Jetpack Forms lets you add forms to your website and check its responses. Lastly, the Newsletter tab lets you show the subscription option on the locations you want and more. Configuring newsletter helps you grow and engage your subscribers. And that's it. You have built a complete free WordPress website from scratch. Here, you learned how to get free hosting and a domain, design with your theme, create content and launch your website, all without writing a single line of code. So, if this tutorial helped, then like it, drop a comment and share it. Subscribe to SiteSaga to check out more videos.